So we're actually recording this video specifically to send back to a new contact we have out in Ontario named Robert. The reason why is Robert has 25 plus years in the signage industry, and he actually has his electrical, so he can certify something as being approved for electrical here in Canada, which is super cool. Okay, so we're going to go through these slides really quick for him. One is company name. For us is ENS, and we built a system called SAM, which stands for Sign Administration and Management. Simple terms, you log into SAM, upload your content, you can control all the little computers. We call these SAM sticks that are attached to screens. Now, what we have is this new equipment that now we can talk to it by text message because it comes with a SIM in it that it works across most carriers around the world. So for years, because most of the stuff we do is indoor signage, we've had people say, hey, from the outside of the building at a distance, I want to be able to see a big screen for my building, and we've turned them away because you can't do that, of course, with big screens. We don't want to be in the outdoor complex screen business. Except, here's this new product. 270 mil high, 40 mil wide. It's got these little pinholes on it where if you take a pin and go pin, 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 boom, there's the frame. So it comes with framing. So the framing you attach to whatever you want to attach it to, and then you pop these panels into place, and it's a complete solution of everything in one. So you got the waterproof cables, all this is waterproof on the back, everything's affixed inside. Go back to this slide for a second. Even if we want to service it, we pop all of these with Allen key bolts off, and you can actually access the stuff inside. Normally the client would do that. What would happen is if they had an issue, they just pop the entire panel back out and ship it back to us and get a replacement. So it's not hypothetical now. We've got the units. We've been testing them for about a year straight. I put them on the back of a vehicle and run them through logging roads to Vancouver Island. I'm very happy with the equipment. You see I left the frames down here below just to see how they affix. So that gives you an idea of what it would look like from the back. From the front, it is 3.75 mil, doing, 4 across and 4 high, or 5 across, so 5 high. So the math works out that 5 by 5 is about the size of a sheet of plywood. That's what we're bringing to market. Later, we're actually going to do a 90-degree angle one, by the way, so you can do this anamorphic effect like what you see over in Asia right now. So we want to get into this kind of install, but that's for later. For now, this is ready to go to market, and we've got about 400 of these sitting in Shenzhen. And what we're doing with the first orders is we're just air freighting them. We're getting over air freight where it's going to come as 4 per box. And so you get 4 of the panels plus the controller plus our computer, all as a complete solution. So it's kind of like the starter package, and then you can order up more boxes of 4 at a time, and we drop them on the plane, get them over, it goes to the install. So this is the product that we're bringing to market for the Digital Sign Expo here in about 10 days. So having a project that's in the queue. We've got a hockey team, we've got some university installs, and we've had this one for City of Windsor sitting on the side of our desk for a while. So hope that gives you enough due diligence on this and the product. It's like Lego. So I want to stop this recording, post it up public to YouTube, so you can just send in the link to Robert, because he's just on his phone, right? So just easier, send him an email. Thank you, Rolly.